Hi class, I hope everyone's doing well. I'm doing the, so as I was saying, we're doing the week before spring breaks work today. I'm going to do grade 5A for you all. So I hope you'll have a great spring break and let's get it started. That's one. Change some audio settings. Okay. So I'll show on the screen. And I'll go to our textbook. Yeah, so we have four objectives. Video for the work. And I'm going to open up our project file now. We'll be in editing. So we'll be adding this same tables that we have one, two of right now. And tables take a view as you would Excel and let you tab for each one of these to be able to work on them. So this goes over here. Let's go right here. So this is what our project's supposed to look like. So we're going to wind up with four tables, some coloring in our titles and such, a footer. So here we go. So we're copying a style from a template to a document by using the style organizer. We've opened our file already. We've already enabled editing. It says if necessary, display the rulers and formatting marks. So the rulers are already shown. It says look for the spelling errors, which I don't see any. It should be good. I'm actually not good. The point of doing is get rid of the paragraph marks. This is just a little cumbersome to me. Be sure the official place position at the top of our document. It is. It said we're going to the home tab, we're going to the styles group, which will look like this for us. I'll go back and forth, I guess. Point two and select, do not select heading one. Notice the live preview is there. Notice behind it, so heading one. You see what it does adjust if your comments and turns it blue. Point two, don't select title. Okay. Title does that. You can see justifications changes. We're going to go to Styles Group and the dialog launcher, which is this box right here. And now we have styles written over here. And we'll go to manage styles from that screen. There is new style, manage styles. We do this screen. We're going to do import, export. So on the box, import, export right here. Our file name is shown here, so that's good. We're being told to close file. We close the file, all the styles are gone. Now we're being told to open file. And we want this Chesterfield document styles file. We see the files that are there now. We see we match. So we want to select heading 2, give you a box here, select heading 2. Hold Control and scroll down to title. You see 2 styles were selected. We're gonna look for copy and we're gonna copy and yes to all. Those were going to be copied over. We can close this. We can close the styles pane. Now, we're being told to go to styles again and point to title. We see if it's different. Now choose style title for this, and you see checking web creations. Perfect. On the second paragraph, we want heading 2, so if I place it outside second paragraph. That's why I helped to show the paragraph marks, but I'm not going to do that. It's safe to use heading 2. Go. We match. So our next is creating a table style and splitting a table. That's for the heck of it, I want to say. So by using practice in 501, display the styles pane. So we go over here and here. One thing that just needs styles there. And at the bottom, we're going to do new style. Right here. We have this screen here. And the properties of the name. The creations. The style type, you want to choose table. Formatting, select borders button. For formatting section here, we'll probably go to our border section. But all borders which you already did and line the way out to 1 point. That's right here. You want the border color arrow, last column, last color. Color. Oops, sorry. That's that. Started flipping from full screen to the instructions. So we did the border arrow, we did all, we set the 1, select the border color arrow, remember theme colors. We want to look like this when we're done. How we're doing this color. Ring out match. We can hit OK. And close this. So we need to go to our first table, which is right here. And I believe we're going to our 7th item, 367. We're going to place that cursor to the left of item, go to table layout and do a split table. Go here and hit enter 1 time. Now they enter this text. document. So we're gonna apply and modify a table style. Scroll's gonna say display the first table in the document. Position to item text. We're gonna go to table design, which is a option since we drill down into a table. We brought up this menu. And we're gonna go to table design tab. As I said, under the table style group. And we want to see the gallery, which is this. You know, the screen tip. And select the style. So we have Chesterfield Creations. Screen tip, you see, select that style. And we're right where we need to be. Probably really where we're supposed to be. We just everything again. We're going to go to the second table in the document. Right here. Styles group. Right here. Try to get another left again. I should really do this when I have two monitors available. On the same Word table style we just used, so custom. Color display this, and now right click here. We see a shortcut menu of things we can do. We're going to select table style, modify table style, sorry. And we see that screen we've seen before. Formatting. We're going to select apply formatting to add arrow. Go to enter. Make somebody bold. Little color arrow. We want green 976 by the 40. Then we match our green. Little color my bad. So it's this one. This was the border color. I have to do fill color, match. Sorry about that. I'm going to decide OK. Now we want to go to view and zoom. Open pages. If you heading on both tables is good. We're going to start conduit. We're going to save our document. Now we're going to merge and split cells. And we're told to go to our third table now, which is new handbags. We're told to put the insertion point to the right of new handbags. On the right end of the ribbon, under table layout, we're going to do split cells. And it's told we're going to number of columns to 3. Maybe 1, we're looking the same, select OK. You see, now we have heading spaces for all the columns there. In the first cell, the header row, select the existing text, new handbags, and item. We're going to go to tab, description. And price. And table design. The table styles group. Then we run table styles. We want to select our just the new one. Then we're going to hit save. Until we look alike. Position of text within cells. We're being told to position your pointer at the top of page 1 in the first table in the left margin. Point to the header row. And we selected it. On the right end of the ribbon, go to table layout. In alignment group, we're going to align center. Okay. Run the header row by dragging and select all the cells in the first and second columns. for my center. We see we are good fit. Now we're going to try to select all items in the same column. Allow the center. We have to format the header row in each of these. We did by clicking it, as we did earlier. So, yeah. Third, the second tables replace center left in the first two columns. On the center side. And so now we can sort tables by category. We want to make active our first table. In a table, you can sort ascending order, smallest to largest, or alphabetically. So on the right end of the ribbon, if necessary, go to the table layout. And in the data group, we're going to choose sort. Sort by. We just sort by item, description, or price. We want select price. And then by. We're going to select item. We've done 15 down to 40 and cover it down to case. So we're good. Go to the bottom of page 1. Condition of inset, and we're at the second table. Third table. Same thing. Okay. Converting text to a table and modifying font within the table. We're going to scroll to display the bottom of page 2 and the top of page 3. Okay. Begin with product category, select by dragging all of the remaining text. We're going to go to insert and table. Convert text to table. And we have the following screen. We hit OK. Two columns, 7 rows. With the table selected, we're going to the home tab, font group. We're going to calibrate and save. Setting the table column width and resizing column for the auto fit. That'll be what we go to the top of page 1. Place the insertion point at the top of the document. Place your insertion point at the top of the document. Use the keyboard to use good. In the first table of document, point to the top border of the first column item. So we got to the top of the top item and hit the down arrow that the whole table. And the table layout is just a shortcut that just selecting it all. Cell size group right here. You want to set the width to 1.5. We want to set the second column from width to 4.5. And change the width of the first column to 1.5, 4.5.5. Some of these I'm going to do this quick. On the page one, you go to the second table. Control enter to enter a field. Right to the left of the page. About it. Now go over for this anywhere in this table. You go to the table layout, cell size group. That's like autofit, with autofit contents. Select table design. Wow, see, just if you're, select the header route. On, these. You see formulas in tables now. We're being told on to our first page. And anywhere in the last row of the table. And on the right click. You do insert. Insert row below. We're being told to select the first two sections. Downs. We're going to type this. We're going to go. I want to see. Would be going to the formula. Number format. We're going to go. Well, so I wasn't really paying attention to the instructions, so sorry about that. So then we go to beta formula. And on the number format, we're choosing the one I asked for, which is the first one. And then we see we have a formula, sum above. We know I'm being told to put a dollar sign here. Okay. And the price. And we want to select this result. And then the world. We have the second table, and then we're in the last row. This is my bottom border here. Why? Good. No. Go on that. These two. Else. We said get to this table. Then these two. You have the exact price. Option. Dollar sign. Okay. Well, oops. My average here. Could be going ahead. Go back here. There. One. Delete this text. Equal. based function, is the average. Here we want to go above. That's so you look on that. It's on. So you can go in and updating formula fields and data tables. Now we're now getting told to, you can add an existing formula in the table. If you change the value in the table, you must manually update the field. So on page one, in our first field, like the word total. One, good. 95, we go to multiplication. Equals. Okay. W table last row, one of the total, we got a discount it. Good. Add a field. Field probably, select formula. We get our same screen. Then, okay. And the third table, we're going to the price is like 139 of the Angelo bag to 149. So you notice we didn't automatically get a price. Right click here. We have the out in the field, and we get the good price. 115, we click save. Now we're adding captions, excluding labels, and setting caption positions. On page 1 of the document, from anywhere in the first table. The references tab. The captions group. You can insert a caption. Don't exclude label. Caption. Semicolon. Space bar. Good. Okay. You see the caption. We want to add captions to the next two tables. Moving the table, references, insert caption, to colon space, then time, direction. Save. Moving a table and wrapping text around tables now. We can totally go to the left page of our document. Position and then use the position point to the upper left corner of the table. We're being told now to drag this table up and to the right until the top border is aligned with the top of the paragraph that says parameter action units. This should easily put it anywhere in the table. Video table layout. cable group on the properties. And we're going to do touch wrapping and be sure around the selected positioning. Distance from our surrounding text. Left is 0.5. Okay. Okay. Here we do caption formats. We want the references. Insert caption. Smooth label. Then we get table 4. Caption box above selected item. And okay. Select the caption. Boom. And color arrow, left column. That's color. Oh, yeah. Very good. Yeah. Population and 4. Snap. Okay. And go. Insert caption. Good. Put it there. I don't know why my label being put here. If you're doing this and you get it, um, here, I will click agree, it's here, that's fine, well, but we're following the directions that I did want. And I'm gonna get in, save result. Okay, I forgot again, hit that, sorry. Really want. Okay. Here's what a tenth is supposed to be. Let's see what I messed up. Right. We'll go back to see what I did wrong. So in our table, in our references tab, we see a caption that's unticked about select the item. So now we'll select back to itself. Boom. Yeah. So, yeah. Or you set and like that. No, you should right. Yeah. Sorry about that. I have to read the directions on this view. So now we're finally right. So we're being told to delete this paragraph. The sales will delete the paragraph position. It says you put anywhere in your text sales goals. Layout tab. Spaces before the 24. Select the table for caption. And style group. what I did was I positioned my cursing left margin. It brought up my little dialog I could get styles, and then create a style, and we need to take the caption. We're selecting a first table caption. We want to do the same caption, the caption. Go back to the common word document. We insert a footer. That's it. I'll upgrade this now and I hope it helps. Have a good day and have a great Sunday.